Now I am going to explain you how to delete a key. Actually there is no specific delete key, delete options for key are, but you can initialize it. Suppose you want to delete key 1, pressing double tap key 1. Here you can see in key 1 menu an option init, means initializations. Enter. Here you can see initial off, source and input will be initialized, mask will be initialized, edge, position and size, rotation, border, priority, all initialized. So in this way you can initialize your keyers. If you have done something mistake, unable to find out what happened, then my suggestion is just initialize all in it. Then key 1, all data will be deleted and it will be back to in its initial positions. So in this way you can delete or initialize any 6 keys.